Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Cvneed subscription. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, like, you can cancel your subscription but you have to provide at least a notice period of 1 month. Okay, so this is there, you can select terms and conditions. When you take a subscription, this is the terms and condition which is available on their official website. Okay, so basically how you can cancel it. So if you have lose your money like for 1 month, then it's okay. But if you don't want to lose your upcoming payment, so how you can save your money? Okay, so first of all you need to visit on any official browser and you need to type like Cvneed, and you need to visit on their official website, or you can directly search like Cvneed cancel subscription, and they will provide you a link like cancel or withdrawal subscription link. And when you visit on their official website, at the very bottom side in the footer section you will get a button like cancel or withdrawal subscription. Okay, and when you visit on the this page, there is a note like this kind of note you will see. You need to fill out the form, and you can cancel within 14 days of starting your subscription. There is no charge will be incurred. And if you cancel your withdrawing, when you receive a confirmation by mail, and you can you have to provide at least, if your money is already detected, you have to provide at least 1 month notice period. After providing your, you can after fill out their form, they will cancel your subscription after 1 month. Okay, so basically how you can cancel, on the same page you will see this kind of form. Okay, and in the form you need to provide your registered email ID, your reference number which is available in your confirmation email. Okay, and there is a drop down menu. You can select any option like regular subscription or which you have subscription, which subscription you have taken. You need to select the option, and as soon as possible, on a specific date or as soon as possible, you can choose any option and you can hit cancel subscription. Okay, and you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription very easily. This is only option. And if this method will not work, if you are not so much technical person, you can also do one thing. On the same page you will see their email option is also available. You can select their email, you can copy the email and you can compose an email. The email format you can see, this is the email format. In the email you need to ask in the end like proof of cancellation, and once your email is done, you can send the email at their email address, and once they receive your email, they will send you a confirmation. If you don't get any confirmation email from their side, it means your subscription is still active, and your subscription is not ended. Okay, from their side. So you need to keep in touch with their customer support. Okay, so by using these ways you can cancel your Cvneed subscription. There is no other way. And if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.